This is called a haiku garden bed. Red cedars tears flow, by the wayside waters go, chase ocean's echoes. Ghosts take time to grow, dead hollows make perfect homes, follow moonlight glow. Winding paths shaped like forest vines arcs that bind us in binary, see? Nothing micro about the organisms that map cities and organs. Meadows come and go, like eyes, feet, phones and bones, gone to eternity. Two ancient shadows emerge in the shape of crows, black, forsaken, still caretaking. The trees remember, laughs, cries, fires, lies and chainsaws. The trees remember. The people forget, laughs, cries, fires, lies and chainsaws. The people forget. Memory keeper of conversations between mother and father. Story keepers of conversation between earth and sky. Don't look away now. An act of consciousness is what brought you here. Breathe.